Today we got the notorious 3.7 Chevy Colorado motor. On startup it makes a weird noise, which I thought was maybe the timing chain, but I think I've narrowed it down to something in the serpentine belt area. I'm going to start the truck and show you what's going on. What I've done is I've narrowed it down to either the serpentine belt or the tensioner. So I've got a new serpentine belt, and what I'm going to try to do is change that first. This one has a little bit of weather cracking on it, which I figure is causing the belt to stretch, which makes it drag over the tensioner and make that noise. So let's get the belt changed and we'll fire it up and see what happens. Now I've got a new belt installed. We're going to start this baby up and see if that took care of the noise. As you can see, that took care of the noise. The belts get stretched on these and cause them to make that noise. Yeah, pretty interesting. It took me a while to figure this one out, but that's what it was. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.